Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create PlayStation account on PC. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. PlayStation is a video gaming brand that was developed by Sony Computer Entertainment. To create PlayStation account on PC, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.playstation.com, then press on enter. With that, you will be taken to PlayStation's official website. Now here you need to select your country or region from where you belong to by clicking on the country or the region. After doing so, you will be directed to the PlayStation website belonging to that specific region or country. Now here you can see sign in option at top right section of the website. Click on sign in. Then here you can see the sign in page. On the downside you can see create an account option. Click on create an account. Now again click on create. Now here you need to first select your country or region. Then you need to select your language. Your home location is used to verify your identity when you contact PlayStation. Other players won't be able to see it. After entering the information, click on next. Now here you need to enter your date of birth. First select your month. Then select your day and your year by clicking on the given box. Then after entering all your date of birth, click on next at the downside. Now here you need to enter your email address. Make sure you enter the correct and valid email address. You will get important information to that email address. After entering the email address, click on the password box and enter a password. Make sure your password contains at least of 8 characters. After entering the password, re-enter the password on the given re-enter password box. After entering all your credentials, click on next at the downside. With that, now here you need to provide your residential address. First enter your city on the given box. Then select your state or province. Then enter your postal code on the given box. After entering all the information, click on next at the downside. Now here you need to build your profile. You need to first enter your online ID. Other players can see your online ID in online features such as games, chats, and friend searches. It's recommended that you don't include your real name or personal information. After that, enter your first name and last name on the given box. With that, click on next at the downside. Now here you can select how you would like to receive information about new products, special offers and other promotionals about PlayStation. Then once view the terms of service and user agreement, privacy policy, community code of conduct, software product license agreement. Then click on agree and create account. With that, your account will be created. Now click on OK. With that, here you can click on next. After that, you will be guided to the personalized content section. You can click on confirm if you want. With that, you will be guided to the another page. With that, you will get a verification email from PlayStation. So once go through your Gmail and look for the email sent by PlayStation. Then open the email. Now here you can see verify option. Click on verify now. With that, your verification process will be completed and now you can go back to the PlayStation page. Then here you can sign into your PlayStation account and you can see here my account has been created. This is how we can create PlayStation account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.